Hi-Tech Brothers, and today we're going to be telling you 5 yoga asanas that is good and healthy for kids. Let's get started. And today I'm going to be joined with not my brother, not my friend, but my mother. She is a certified international yoga trainer, and today she's going to be teaching you and me how to do yoga. Let's get started. The first asana is the Uttanasana. This asana is very helpful for kids as it helps them to increase their height. So let's get started.
For Uttanasana, you have to stand in Tadasana. Tadasana means you should keep your backbone straight, your chest will be engaged, your core will be engaged, your thighs will be engaged, and feet with difference between your feet. Your palms will be open. Now slowly take a deep inhale, open your hands, open your chest, interlock your hands at the top, palm facing upwards. Make sure both the arms are near to your ear. Very good. Be there. Take a 3 long deep breath there. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly look up. That will give a warm up to your neck. Look at your hands. Look up. Very good. Be there. Slowly exhale. Keep your head straight. Now as you will inhale, you will lift your heels up and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, go very gentle and slow with your body. Be there, hold the posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Slowly exhale down and relax. You can keep your hands down and come back to Tadasana.
Next pose is the tree pose. It is very good for all the students and it helps in concentration and your balance.
Tree pose के लिए, for tree pose you have to stand in Tadasana again. Okay, and there is one single rule, that is most important rule of this asana, is you have to gaze at one point. Why? Because that focus will help you to increase your concentration skill. That's why it is good for students, as my son said already, right? So you will stand in Tadasana, right? Then slowly inhale and take your right leg and place it on your left inner thigh like this. Now slowly inhale, raise your hands up while focusing at one single point, like gazing at one point, and try to balance there. Inhale and exhale, your hands will join at the top. Stretch your full body up there, backbone is straight. Be there, inhale and exhale in this posture. Inhale and exhale, gaze at one point. Now slowly keep your hands down, take your hands down and relax your toe also. Exhale and come back to Tadasana. Next asana what we are going to teach you is warrior pose, that is warrior 1, right? So for this pose what you have to do, again you will come in front of your mat. Just come in front of your mat. Now slowly take your left leg back. Make sure your left leg that is going back will be inward and in line with your right leg. Okay? Now keep your hands on your waist and twist your body forward. Exhale. Now inhale, raise your hands up and bend forward and push yourself down. Make sure this leg will be 90 degrees and your knee and your toe will be in line. Be there in this posture and feel the stretch on your body. This is again a very good asana to increase your height Strengthen your leg, strengthen your hand and your full body. Be there, hold the posture, make sure this leg will be 90 degree and this leg will be stretched fully. Don't give stress to your knee. Your body should be like this. 3 breaths there. Inhale and exhale. Feel the stretch in your body. Now slowly take your left leg forward and come back to Tadasana. Exhale. Now same we will repeat with another leg also. This time you will take your right leg back. Inline and inward. Twist your body. Exhale and raise your hands up. Leg should be 90. Push down more. Push down more. Perfect. And toes and knees will be in line. Be there. Perfect. And slowly come back to Tadasana. Take your legs together. Exhale.
Next asana is the mountain asana, also known as the downward dog.
To perform the mountain pose or the downward dog or the Parvatottasana. Okay, so the preparatory pose we can take or we are taking here is Vajrasana. There are so many ways by which you can perform it and it is very simple. So what you have to do, sit in Vajrasana and slowly raise your hands forward, both the hands forward, come to table pose. This is table or cat and cow for all the kids. Okay, so this is table pose. After when you came till table, now slowly exhale and just nothing you have to do, straighten your knees and push your chest in. So this is mountain. Make sure here you are exhaling and inhaling and your heels should touch down and your knees should be straight. If your heels are not touching down right now, not to worry about, slowly pedal your feet, adjust your position and gradually as you will practice this asana, you will be able to do that heel touch also. So be there, exhale 3 breaths. Press it down, arch back as much as you can. Very good. Slowly inhale, come to table again. Take your knees down, tuck your knees down and go to Vajrasana again. And kids, don't forget to do the pranayam also and some breathing exercise because this is all pandemic corona. Already you know about it, right? So please do meditation, simple breathing. Just sit straight, keep your backbone straight. Inhale and exhale for a few deep long breaths. So inhale. Keep your abdomen full like a balloon. Out, out. And as you will exhale, your abdomen will squeeze like a balloon. Like balloon, blow off all the air, right? It's quite simple. Sit straight, but yeah, make sure your backbone is straight. Your backbone should be straight, right? So inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Slowly. Don't open your eyes. Just rub your palms. And place your palm on your face. Open your hands in front of you. Look at them and smile. Thank you.
Guys, be sure to like and subscribe. Our link is in the description. Subscribe to our channel. You will get more knowledge. Be sure to like and subscribe. More videos coming right up. Peace out. Bye.